Cycle 2, Week 7, Fun in the Sun prints. So we're going to be doing making sun prints, which is it's really special photosensitive paper that we're going to be making designs on. So how you do it is I'm going to have all the sheets cut into half sheets so that all the kids will have enough to do, I think, about 4 each. And you're going to start either inside or in a shaded area. I'll let you know that week. Each child will get a piece of construction paper and a piece of the photosensitive paper. Okay, so there's a blue side and then there's a white side. So they're going to be working on the blue side. So putting the blue side on the cardboard, and then I'm going to have lots of different little things. These will be spread out on the table, and they can make a design however they want, and they can do this multiple times. They're going to make their little design, and then when their design is done, we're going to put them inside a shop ticket to help hold everything down. So they might need help with this so that their designs don't get messed up. And then once they're designed, and if it's a flat thing, you know, help them make it look nice. Okay, once their design is in and settled, then they can take it out into the sun for 1 to 5 minutes, depending on how bright the sun is. So I assume that means if the sun is super bright, then 1 minute's enough. If it's not super bright, then we're going to go for the more like the 5-minute time frame. This is probably going to be where you're going to need a lot of parents, like one parent outside monitoring this, a parent inside helping with the designs. And then after it's been 1 to 5 minutes, the kiddos are going to take their designs out, take the thingies off, and then kind of pretty quickly, you know, take the things off and then put their paper, dunk it in these basins are going to be full of water. So they're going to push it down into the water and then leave it alone for 3 to 5 minutes. An adult can kind of jostle the paper around a little bit if it needs to be, because our notes say that helps dissolve the stuff on the paper. And basically just leave it in until the next kid is ready to have theirs. It should be at least 3 to 5 minutes. So I think the longer it's in there, the better the outcome, it sounds like. So just let it hang out in here. We're going to have 4 basins per class. So hopefully there'll be a kind of a steady stream of taking turns of making the designs and getting it ready and all that. So then once they take it out, just lay it on the sidewalk to dry. And you'll already see there will be a design from all the little things that they had on there. So it's really cool. And while the kids are doing that, you can be reading. The Cornerstone lesson plan has lots of information about sunprint paper, which is interesting. So I wouldn't necessarily insist that the kids give you their full attention while you're reading this, but while they're making their designs, maybe that would be a good time to do it. I mean, whatever you want is fine. But that is week 7.